now to our series called Elaina's Experiments. Every Monday, we bring in local STEM educators and enthusiasts to share some ideas for things that you can do at home to make science and STEAM education fun with your kids, using things you probably have just laying around. Joining us in studio, we have our friend Justin Jansen, a STEAM and Expanded Learning Program Specialist with the Kern County Superintendent of Schools. I love that you visit so many schools across the county and really make learning fun. What'd you bring today?
Yes, so look at the decorations around us. We're in the holiday season, thinking of Christmas, and I know at least around my house, there's a possibility of multiple kids at your home at one point. And with multiple kids, it comes multiple of craziness. So instead of just TV or video games, is there something that they can do that kind of passes time and then also do some learning? So I brought a couple activities. So the first one is going to be actually a computer science activity. So in computer science, when we type in letters, computers don't read letters. They actually read zeros and ones, kind of on and off, true and false, and they put that together to create all the information that we have. They process like it in billions of this in seconds. They do it so fast. So this is called a candy cane binary code. Cool. Candy cane. And what it is you can see here that each letter actually is 5 different zeros and ones, and the computer sees those zeros and ones and says, oh, this is an A or a B or a C. So what you're going to do is really easily, we just took 2 colors of pipe cleaner, twisted them together, and created a candy cane here. So cute. So now that we have our candy cane, we need something that represents the 0 and 1s. So we have little beads. Perfect. And here's just thing, they have a bunch of colors. You can pick which colors you want. And what you would have the kids do is pick one color for the 0, one color for the 1, and then we need something in the middle that will break it apart. So we know, oh, that's the end of this letter, and this is the new one. And you would just figure out whatever letters and numbers you want.
And this is great for all ages. You're doing counting, you're talking about computer science without really realizing how difficult it is on the computer side. But that helps when you're teaching programming as they get older, right?
Yes, because the idea with computer science is we don't want to just be passengers in the back of a plane of a computer. Actually be the pilot of it, understand how it works or the mechanic of it. So when we type something into the computer, even a simple A, that computer is doing things at the speed of light that we can't even imagine what it's doing to do all of it. So here's one as well that's completed. It actually, if you did the code, it spells out KGET.
Thank you. So cute with the KGET colors.
Exactly, even with the colors. So
I love it.
yes, my wife will be happy with that. So the next one is, this is kind of independent, individual one, something that's competitive. And this is an engineering challenge. So for this one, it's very easy. All you need are toothpicks, and I could only find little marshmallows. Those work great. I wanted to find gumdrops. I thought that'd be fun here. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a little contest of who can build the tallest Christmas tree.
Oh, cute. Okay.
And you can only use toothpicks and the marshmallows. And again, this could be within 5 minutes, 1 minute, however you wanted, depending on your kids. And you would just say go, and you're trying to build a Christmas tree. And hopefully they're starting to problem solve it. You wouldn't give them any other directions except, I want you to build a Christmas tree only with toothpicks and marshmallows. That's it. And then they can go along and they can just figure out, okay, what's the best way? And hopefully thinking of a Christmas tree, they realize, oh, it needs to be wider at the base and taller. And it would be taller and 3-dimensional. And then they would see maybe it doesn't work, so they need to rebuild. All part of the engineering design process where it's circular, where they have to go back and figure out what's wrong. So again, it's giving them something else than, I know it's easy, let's put on a show, movie, go in there, play the video games, something to break up that where they're also starting to use their own imagination as well.
I love this. Justin, thank you so much. Have fun with your kids, and if you do this at home, share it with us at kget.com. We'll be right back.